Hello students, welcome back to your IT class. Our today's topic is cyber safety. Nowadays, internet played a very important, very vital role in our life. So while we are using internet, there are so many pros and cons, and with the help of cyber safety, we can prevent our personal information or our data secure. Okay, so today's age can't be even thought without internet, even in dreams. Although they has made many things easier, but at the same time it has posed many security risks too, if not used in a proper way. If we will not use internet in a proper way, then it will pose a security risk. So what is the definition of cyber safety? Cyber safety refers to the safe and responsible use of internet so that to ensure safety and security of personal information and not posing threat to anyone else information. It is a safe and responsible use of internet. What is cyber safety? It is a safe and responsible use of internet while safety and security of personal information and not posing threat. Without any risk, we can use internet. That is cyber safety. Next topic is many ways website tracks you. Whenever you visit a website, your web browser may reveal your location via your device, IP address. It can also provide your search and browsing history, etc., which may be used by third parties like advertisers or criminals. What is it? When you are visiting on your web browsers, you may visit so many web pages, so many links, so many websites. So these things, IP address, some things are there like IP address, cookies. These things track your location, track your data. It is very important as well as it is risky too. Okay, it is good thing, but side by side it is risky too. So what are the things? The type of information available through your web usage patterns. Which website generally use for tracking us? These are, first is IP address. IP address is a unique address of your device when you connect to the internet. When you are connecting with internet, your server provides to a client is server provides to their client is IP address. Okay, so with the help of IP address, your location, your device information may be tracked. So it is likely that your computer shares your IP address with the other network devices in your house, office, etc. From your IP address, a website can determine your rough geographical location. While you are using your any kind of web browser or opening any website, then IP address can track your geographical location. You can say rough geographical location. Okay, so first is IP address, which track your websites or which track your data. Next is cookies and tracking scripts. Cookies are small piece of information websites can store in your browsers. They have plenty of legitimate use. For examples, when you sign into your online banking website, a cookie remembers your login information. How cookies track? When you are visiting on any website, or for example, you can take example of any online shopping website like Flipkart. For example, you are visiting on Flipkart and you fill your personal information like your credit card details or your name, location, all things. So cookies store your information. Okay, so while you are visiting again in Flipkart, then no need to fill your information or personal details, etc. So cookies already stored there in their cache memory. Okay, so that are cookies. How cookies track your information or track your personal data. Got it? So cookies can be of two types, that is first party cookie and third party cookie. When first party cookies find your location or track your location, it may be good, but when third party cookies track your location, it is very risky for you, or you can say it is create a threat for you. So what are first party cookies? These are cookies that store your own login ID, password, autofill information for some websites. means you can say the private websites or your personal information can store logically, or we can say legally. But third party cookies, these are the cookies that websites store to know about your search history and web browsing history, so as to place advertising as per interest. When they will provide you advertising as per your interest, you will log in or you will surf on that website, so it will be very difficult, or it will create a threat for you. So third party cookies somewhere is very risky for you. Okay. Third is HTTP refer. HTTP means hypertext transfer protocol. When you click a link, your browser loads the web page link to it and tells the website where you come from. Okay, HTTP tells you the proper or perfect address to your location, or your you can say your taste or your interest. Okay, for example, if you click the link to an outside website on a web page, example you can see in your next page, see, you can see here that it is a website and you are this is a advertising. So you can, this is advertised. If you click on it, then it will be open, and somewhere it will very that server may know your interest, that okay, that user showing interest in these types of advertising, then those websites show again and again all these things. Okay, so linked websites will get opened, and internal information about you such as IP address, location, your browser machine's type will also be provided to the linked websites through HTTP server. Got it? Next is super cookies. Super cookies also tracked you. Super cookies also cookies, but these are persistent cookies. They come back even after you delete them. If we enable in our settings, then cookies will not save our data. But super cookies are those, if we delete them again and again, they will come. Okay. So super cookies store cookie data in multiple places. For example, in flash cookies, Silverlight storage, your browsing history, HTML5 local storage. So basically, cookies are those which store in cache memory, but super cookies store that your personal information in different places. Okay, like flash cookies, Silverlight. So at one place, if you delete it, it already stored in another place. If you delete it from that place also, again it will store another place. So it is very difficult to delete from all the places. So super cookies are very dangerous, you can say, or you can say the very risky for, or create threat for us, for users. Okay. Next is user agents. Your browser also sends a user agent every time you connect to a website. This tells website to your browser and operating system, providing another piece of data that can be stored and used to target ads. All the above things leak your identity information. Whatever we read till now, super cookies, user agents, IP address, okay, or HTTP refers, these all are your identity information to the websites, and it may be used against you. Solution to the private browsing and anonymous browsing. Let us learn what is these types of, what are the solution to prevent yourself from these all types of tracking of websites. So what are the solution? That is private browsing and anonymous browsing. Okay, till here you have to read your chapter carefully and try to understand all these points, and in next video we'll continue from private browsing and anonymous browsing. Okay.